Japan to propose restricting stablecoin issuers to banks and wire transfer companies. Ross Ulbricht's debut NFT sold for $6.2 million at auction. Meta pilots instant crypto payments on WhatsApp. These stores and more here on Crypto. Hi, I'm Mike from CryptoGems and here are the latest news on crypto. Japan to propose restricting stablecoin issuers to banks and wire transfer companies. The Financial Services Agency, FSA, Japan's primary financial regulator, is apparently considering legislation that would limit stablecoin supply to banks and wire transfer providers. Crypto service providers engaging in stablecoin transactions, such as wallets, will be subject to the financial regulator's scrutiny. The FSA will also strengthen restrictions connected to money laundering prevention, according to the magazine, which also mentions that crypto service providers participating in stablecoin transactions, such as wallets, would be brought under its supervision. Stablecoin issuers will also be required to follow Japan's legislation on prohibiting the transfer of illegal proceeds. Verifying user IDs and reporting questionable transactions are examples of what this entails. Ross Ulbricht's debut NFT sold for $6.2 million at auction. Ross Ulbricht, the suspected founder of dark web marketplace Silk Road, has sold his first non-fungible token, NFT, at auction for $6.2 million or 1,446 Ether, ETH, after announcing the opening of his Genesis Collection sale. The auction began on the Super Rare platform at Art Basel, Miami. The winning offer was put by Free Ross DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization created to assist Ulbricht in his release from prison. The DAO wants to promote jail reform and share Ross's work with the world and offer everyone a unique opportunity to own a piece of it, according to the Free Ross DAO website. Bitstamp, another prominent cryptocurrency exchange, has added the Shiba Inu coin on its platform. Users of Bitstamp will be able to trade SHIB against the USD and Euro. Shiba Inu is now listed on more trade platforms, and more merchants are accepting the meme cryptocurrency as payment. Bitstamp, a cryptocurrency exchange, has extended support for 4 new cryptocurrencies. The London-based exchange began accepting Shiba Inu deposits and withdrawals on Wednesday. The Bitstamp platform now supports 3 more cryptocurrencies: DYDX, Gala, and Perpetual Protocol, PERP. They will be able to be traded against the US dollar and the euro. Dogecoin and Ether rank in top 10 news searches on Google in 2021. Major cryptocurrencies Ether and Dogecoin made the list of the world's most searched terms in 2021 on Google on Tuesday. Google released its traditional annual list of the top searches for the year, breaking them down into several categories, including searches, news, people, games, movies and others. According to Google Trends Year in Search 2021, Dogecoin was the 4th most popular news search term on Google in 2021, both globally and separately in the United States. News related to the query Ethereum price was ranked 10th. The cryptocurrencies are listed among the top searched news items, including topics like Afghanistan, AMC stock, COVID-19 vaccine, GME stock, stimulus check and others. Meta pilots instant crypto payments on WhatsApp. Meta is piloting instant crypto payments on WhatsApp using its Novi digital assets wallet. Starting today, a limited number of users in the US will be able to make payments inside WhatsApp using Paxos dollar stablecoins. The payments will be free and instant and won't affect the messaging application's end-to-end encryption. Starting today, a limited number of WhatsApp users in the US will be able to send and receive crypto within the messaging application using Meta's Novi crypto wallet. Novi's head of product, Stefan Casriel, announced today that Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is piloting free and instant stablecoin payments inside WhatsApp. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell, or you can visit our website at cryptogemsofficial.com with new content every day. Don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere, and that's the latest news on crypto, so I'll see you on the next one.